Hi, in this tutorial, we will talk about the if statement, how we are using the if statement. If statement can be used to use either true or false. Let me give you an example on if statement. Let me see, I don't need to use any table here. I will say here declare a variable called number int. All right, set the number is equal to, let's say, is 50. Okay, here I'm going to use my if statement. If at number it's, let's say, is more than 40. Okay, what I want you to do for me, begin and else otherwise, else if my condition doesn't match, so I need you to execute or to run this query for me. Here, I'm going to say if at number is more than 40, here, like you can say print, this is just an example, the, the number is more than 40. Otherwise, print the number is less than 40. So here I declare the number. That number is equal to 50. Here I put my condition. This is my condition. In case of this one true, I need you to print for me this statement. If my condition, this one, if it's false, if it's false, I need to print for me this statement. So let's see. Here the number is more than 40 because I have a 50 here and this is my condition is true. Let me put 60. If the 50 more than 60, then the number is more than like 60, or otherwise the number is less than the 60. Let's see, the number is less than 60. So you can use, it's very flexible to add here a select statement, or if you are adding your condition, and if your condition goes to true, you will restrict your uh, statement or your SQL script between the begin and end. And same thing after the else, you will restrict your SQL script between the begin and end. And you can simply adding here a select statement or insert or update anything based on your condition. So this is the if statement, and this is how we are using it. I hope you guys joined my video. Thank you.